NASA just built a drone. Not for Earth, not for Mars, for a moon that rains gasoline. Saturn's moon Titan has clouds and rain, but not water. It rains liquid methane. Its surface is drenched in hydrocarbons, and its atmosphere is 4 times denser than Earth's. And NASA is sending a flying machine straight into it. This is Dragonfly, and it may change everything we know about life in the universe. Never before have humans planned an airborne science mission to another world like this. Instead of being stuck at one landing site, Dragonfly's rotors will carry it up to 70 miles across Titan during its planned mission, stopping to explore dunes, craters, and alien terrain along the way. It has 8 rotors and flies like a large drone, but it's the size of a car, and it's completely nuclear-powered. It doesn't need sunlight, it doesn't need a charging station. It carries its own power source across 1 billion miles of deep space. Here's the twist that nobody's talking about. Titan is considered an analog to the very early Earth, before life ever existed here. The same chemical building blocks that may have sparked life on our planet are sitting right there, frozen on Titan's surface, waiting. Dragonfly isn't just a science mission, it's a time machine aimed at our own origin story. And as of March 2026, just weeks ago, NASA officially began assembling and testing the actual flight system at Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory. This isn't a concept anymore, this is real. The drone is being built right now in a clean room, piece by piece. It's scheduled to launch aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket in the summer of 2028 on a 6-year voyage to Titan, arriving in 2034. So here's what I want you to think about. If Dragonfly finds chemical signatures of life on Titan, not life itself, but the ingredients, what does that mean for every other moon in the solar system? What does that mean for us? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this blew your mind even a little, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who deserve to know this stuff. And if you're new here, subscribe. We cover the missions NASA doesn't put on billboards. See you in the next one.